nice, bright, and white. As y'all can see behind me, girl, it looks so good. Just me and you in the mood. But you know you can catch fruit flies anytime, child. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, we are back with another kitchen renovation makeover video. Y'all, this is gonna be part one of a 3-part series because I have a few things that I need to do to this kitchen and I don't want to do them all at the same time. So in today's kitchen renovation video, you guys, the first part, we are going to be painting my backsplash. Yes. As you could see, it's all kinds of scuffed and just, you know, from like wiping it down with bleach and, you know, everything like that. It is time to make it over. It is time to look pretty all over again. So that's one of the first steps that we want to do in this kitchen makeover. So let's just go ahead and take everything out and down. Well, not everything, but like taking this down and putting everything up and pretty much everything that's around this area. I'm not going to take this stuff down yet because we're not doing that part of the kitchen makeover. It was just time to do this. I like to update our apartment so you know that it always looks nice and fresh and everything, y'all. So yeah, y'all gonna do it with me today, honey. Okay. The builder will not be in this part of the video. This is just gonna be me and you. So one of the first things we are gonna do is open up this can of paint. Now, babe said to use a butter knife. So let's see what's to that. All right, let's see here. I think you're supposed to pop these things off first. Yep, okay, one is off. Very good. Let's get the second one off. Okay, second one off. Very good. Should have put on a t-shirt for this. Okay, so now we have the paint, the little protective pieces off. So let's go ahead and see about opening it because I gotta stare it when I do open it. Okay, almost there. All right, we have the paint opened, you guys, and so now we can just go ahead and move everything out the way so we can start this process.
Up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie.
All right, the last time I took all of this stuff down, I was attempting to lay down the countertop paper, y'all, that I picked up from Temu. Y'all remember that? And it did not work out, so I know this is gonna work out just fine. It should. Also, we got just about everything out of the way, except for the air fryer. I'm gonna move that though once we get over to that section. But yeah, I'm gonna start painting this part first. So let's get to it.
walked into somebody's house and the place was just pristine, spotless, organized. Everything has a place. And you can tell that somebody put a lot of effort and energy into creating the environment that you're experiencing. You can feel the rules without anybody having to say a word.
You guys, so I decided not to move the stove back, or yeah, I moved forward because, child, it was just a little too heavy, honey. And like I told y'all, Buddha Builder is not here. But I must say, I really like how bright this white paint is, you guys. So for me, as of right now, it is definitely a go. I'm going to try to get up close so I can show you guys the big difference that it made in the kitchen. So if you are looking to renovate your kitchen, maybe you want to do like a, you know, brighten it up, make it look better, get a fresh coat of paint. Let me show y'all how good it look. So I really hope that you guys can tell the difference. Right here is where I have not painted yet, and then up here is the nice bright white. So over here it's not that bad, but as you can see, you know, there are some, you know, little scuffs and stuff like that on it. So we just want to make it brighter with the white, and I think it's just gonna look so much better. But yeah, this is a better angle. You could definitely see.
I just wanna feel some.
High volume.
You're in charge, I need that.
Why didn't I take this down? Hold on. This is a fly catcher, you guys. It is so good for your kitchen. Definitely go pick this up. I'll be sure to leave it down in the description box below. We picked it up from Amazon, and oh my God, it was such a help, especially during the summertime. But you know, you can catch fruit flies anytime, child. But I'm just loving how white it's becoming. Y'all, look at this. Look at the white versus the other color. Can y'all see that? Look at that difference. That is so crazy. The white versus the regular color at the kitchen, so much cooking a lot and all of that. So yeah, this is very much needed. And again, I'm gonna make sure I leave the link for this paint here, you guys. It is a gem.
Every story you love all began as nothing.
I just me and you in the mood, still a truth. Sunroof home, it goes down. Let's just get taste. Sunroof home, away from me. Make sure y'all getting in the lines, y'all. And when you paint, get in those lines. And this way, when you're dealing with grooves like this. Y'all, babe is on her way home. She has been in the meeting for a couple of hours. She's gonna be so proud of me, honey, that I have started on this kitchen renovation all by myself, and it is coming out really, really nicely, you guys. Like, the bright white paint really is doing a number on the kitchen. Listen, if you have been in your apartment or your townhome or your house for over a year, go ahead and do a fresh coat of paint in your kitchen, mainly on probably your cabinets and also your backsplash. You guys are wondering what paintbrushes I'm using some that look like this. I'm pretty sure we picked these up from Home Depot probably 2 years ago, but I wash them every time after we use them, so they still look new. So don't throw your paintbrushes away if you are doing like a makeover, apartment update, a renovation. Keep them, wash them, and they are still gonna be like new. But y'all, I am almost finished. We have a little bit more to go right over here. But yeah, let's go ahead and continue. I'm so happy I did this today because the next video that you guys will be getting will be us redoing the countertops and also this wallpaper. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If this is your first time seeing me, hey girl, hey boy, hey, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, y'all. And yes, I do all sorts of lifestyle, home decor, renovation, a little bit of vlog and travel here and there. But yes, y'all, I'm so excited. Oh, and don't pay this. I did get some paint on the wallpaper. Pay that no mind, because like I said, we're taking all of this down and doing something different. That's why I wanted to go ahead and paint the backsplash first. So let me be finished, y'all, because I had to cut the air on, girl. This getting a little warm. I don't know what made me do this in a hoodie, but let's continue.
Yeah. Don't make me cry, say. Yeah. You my treacherous little twin, and you know that we locked in, and I love you like my kin. It's whatever for you. I go up and down that road, I go anywhere you go. When you tell me life is good,
hey babe.
You my twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my treacherous little twin. Yeah. For what they say, 500 million on the face, feel like KK. And I know the city that we from, not a safe place. But I know you riding with your twin till we fade away. We used to have nothing to our
Guys, so this is all of the paint that I used. As you can see, we barely used any at all, honey. I didn't put no nails on, y'all, because I knew my hands was going to be getting all of paint and everything on it. But definitely I'm going to use this to paint the cabinets as well, since we have so much left. So it looks like, honey, we just added another video to this kitchen renovation makeover series. So yeah, honey, we did not use much paint at all, and as y'all can see, I already cleaned the paintbrush as well. So now we just have to let it dry. So let's go ahead and put everything back where it belongs.
I keep trying for you. I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside. You took my love.
Two heaping of the big spoon.
My love. Didn't I tell you what I believe? Somebody say that a love like that won't last. Didn't I give you all that I got to give, baby? I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside.
Your coffee, babe. Hey y'all, good morning. It is the next day. So I don't know why last night I was like, y'all, let's go ahead and put this stuff back up, child, and I had to let the paint dry. So went ahead, let the paint dry overnight, y'all. Now the kitchen is so nice, bright, and white, as y'all can see behind me, girl. It looks so good. It was one of the first things baby noticed this morning when she walked into the kitchen. So I love it, y'all. And that is gonna be the end of the first part, y'all. We finally went ahead and took care of it. And I love it, y'all, because this is actually a semi-gloss, so it looks so good. Like the reflection is nice, shiny, it's smooth. So if you are looking for a paint to paint your, probably your countertops, I mean not your countertop, your backsplash or your cabinets, go ahead and pick that paint up. I will be sure to leave it linked down in the description box for you guys. But yeah, y'all see, we just made us some good little nostalgic coffee. For some reason, y'all, we just cannot get rid of our old coffee maker. We probably need a new one, but hey, if it ain't broke, then why try to fix it, right? We're going to stick with this, y'all, but the coffee is so good this morning. Love standing in this beautiful white kitchen. But yeah, y'all, that's going to be the end of this kitchen makeover video. Make sure you subscribe so that you can see the second part of this, which is going to be us laying down the countertop, peeling stick paper, and also putting up the wallpaper because we're switching it out as well. So yeah, y'all, that's going to be the end of the video. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Without you.